Dennis Eckersley reshaped relief pitching in the 1980s with a blazing fastball and unshakable nerve, clinching pennants and a closer's legend. Card collectors chased Dodgers and Brewers parallels, tracing X era from rookie cards to commemorative Hall of Fame issues, a bridge between on-field feats and cardboard keepsakes. The story then moves to a signature game in 1988 when his dominant ninth sealed a memorable playoff win, a moment etched in baseball lore. Collectors cherish error-free runs of vintage Eckersley cards alongside modern relics that celebrate his mastery. The fusion of peak performance and card culture reveals how legends endure beyond the diamond, inviting audiences to explore history, strategy, and value.